The 2013 MINI Coupe John Cooper works by DuelL AG. Japanese tuner, DuelL AG, has become synonymous with building some of the most awe-inspiring tuning programs on that side of the world. Their latest work on the MINI Coupe only adds to their already sterling reputation. Using the MINI Coupe John Cooper Works edition for the build, DuelL AG built a sick-looking aerodynamic kit for the German Mini that comes with a bevy of modded parts, including a louvered hood that has been set on both sides, just above the fenders. In addition, the components also include an aggressive new front bumper with fully integrated LED lights, redesigned side skirts, and a new rear diffuser. DuelL AG opted to keep the MINI Coupe JCW's performance numbers untouched, which means that you can expect the car's 1.6-liter four-cylinder petrol engine to produce an impressive 208 horsepower. For a car that looks as aesthetically endearing as the MINI Coupe JCW, DuelL AG did a masterful job in giving the German vehicle some serious attitude. Dare we even say that this program is one of the best-looking aftermarket projects done on the MINI Coupe.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.